tear. When opinions start to guide us, we won't let them define us. We'll play it by ear.
I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around.